Here's an old National boiler, probably put in the 50s sometime. And there's an old steel expansion tank, old relief valve and fill valve there in the back. Here's where the flue connected up here to an existing B vent, so that part will be reused. And this system had some sort of snow melting zone. There's the old pump for it, and it looks like a heat exchanger, and I don't know if that was a reservoir for antifreeze or what exactly it was, but all that's long since been abandoned. So we're going to put a little slant fin in here, 175 for this job. It's got a monoflow T system, so you can see here the diverter T's that go up to each radiator. They have cast iron baseboard on the main floor, and they have some little cast iron radiators here in the basement. So we're going to maintain all those, and what we're going to do is we're going to try and get rid of all these low-hanging pipes throughout the basement. Let's see where they've got this main line coming through, and it diverts to radiators in the basement, and then it carries on. There's the other one for the other end of the radiator, and then over here you'll see where they go up to the cast iron baseboards on the main level. So the homeowner wants all these pipes removed. He wants to turn this basement into a nice living space, and he doesn't want to see any of these pipes. So as well as replacing the boiler, we're going to get rid of all these lines here too. All right.